Bonafide Hustler here, and we have another amazing thrifting slash reselling vlog that is coming down. It should be a lot of fun. We left off at the last one where I bought a Kuat 4-hitch bike rack, or it was like 2 with an addition of another one, right? We bought that thing for $75. And so let's start the vlog now and let's pick up from the last one. So I hope you're enjoying this kind of stuff, and if you are, just make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler. There's also a free guide that you should check out that'll teach you some great items that you should start looking for, okay, that are used at thrift stores and garage sales that'll resell for more money. So go check that out. It's the first link down below. I think you'll really enjoy it. What's up, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my house. I'm editing videos and we got a lot of clips and we just gotta like merge all this stuff together. So making sure that we pick up from the last one where we picked up that bike rack. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler. Get the free money making guide. First link down below, okay? Go check it out. Learn some items that you can buy and resell that are predominantly used from thrift stores and garage sales. Second link down below, and there's only half a day left on this deal. Well, maybe about like 10 hours. 10 hours left on this deal. Please go check it out. Second link down below, and you have to use the secret code that's at the second link to even get the discount on any one of my guides. Go check it out. But there's a secret code. Without the code, nothing works. This vlog is chock full of cool cheddar finds, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's pick up right from the last one. Here we go. Later in the day, and actually it's the night, and might be selling this Specialized mountain bike that my girlfriend and I spent $100 on, and it's called a Specialized Mica, or no, it's actually called a Specialized Jinx. Sorry, J-Y-N-X. Yeah, and we got this thing for $100, and we've listed it for $300. And we're probably gonna have someone come over here in a second to check it out. That's what it looks like right there. It's a Specialized Jinx, 27.5 wheels, mountain bike for women. Pretty cool mountain bike, very good condition, operates perfect. And that was $100 about 2 weeks ago. So we should be converting that to $300. Person just texted me they pulled up. Let's get out there and sell this bike. All right, so it is dark out there and I couldn't get any footage. They're loading that into their car right now. We have $300 cash. We converted a $100 bike into a $200 profit right here. So we're officially in the next day and we got some bikes to bucks that'll probably sell. It's sitting right here. This is a women's Trek FX that I picked up for 60 bucks about 3 or 4 weeks ago. And I listed it for 300 and then 280 and then now I'm at 275 and it looks like we have a person coming over to come check it out. As you can see, yeah, some bikes to bucks definitely selling today. I got 270 on a Venmo for that bike. So that was a Cannondale kids bike that I picked up for like 10 bucks. Sold her for 50 cash. Some more bikes to bucks. Okay, so we're a couple days down the road and we have a bike right here. It's a Specialized Roll and we picked it up for 100 bucks and it should sell for 380 cash tonight. It's dark outside, as you can see. This bike is a pretty cool cruiser bike. Made for adults, step-through frame. My girlfriend and I picked this up for $100 when my parents were in town for Thanksgiving, and we are gonna flip it today, hopefully for 380, maybe 350. It's got fenders on there. You know, it's got a really good drivetrain, disc brakes, 650B tires, which are the bigger size. Rapid fire shifting, pretty cool. We put that basket on it because we have the basket from another bike. But yeah, this is a Specialized Roll. Very popular hybrid bike. You might have seen it on some of my vlogs. And to be honest, this is the 4th Roll bike that I will be flipping in the past like 4 months. So pretty good. Roll bikes are good. Remember that and remember the brand Specialized. Looks like the guy's here. So we got the bike sold for $350, which is a $250 profit. Remember, we bought that bike for $100 and we got $350 right here, which is great. So $250 profit, some bikes to bucks, I'll take it. We're at the next day and looks like this thing's gonna be selling soon. This is one of my personal seats. I just had it in a drawer. I had 2 of these actually. I think I sold the first one for 70 or 80 bucks. I'm not 100% sure, but this one right here, 60 bucks. It's not the greatest condition, but it's not bad. This is a Brooks saddle, a really good high ticket items to bucks, if you know what I mean. But yeah, this one right here, we're gonna be selling it for $60 cash in about 5 minutes. All right, looks like someone's pulling up. Just like that, we have 60 bucks. And that just came off some random bikes like back in the day. So that is good money. Okay, we're at the next day and I'm picking up a bike from a neighborhood that's pretty close. This bike was listed at $150. It's a Liv hybrid women's bike. Now, Liv is made by a brand called Giant, which is a pretty decent brand. So we're gonna pick up this bike. See the person bringing it out here in the door. 1 second. So here's the bike. It's a Liv A-Lite. It's a pretty good model. And it's in perfect condition. And you can see on the tires, we still have that center marking kind of wear strip. That's pretty good. Even on the back one, we see the same thing as well. So we're gonna get rid of this little garage dust. Thing operates perfect. It'll probably be listed for like $350. All right, I'm not sure if it was on this vlog or the one before, but I picked up this Kuat bike rack, I think for like, I can't even remember, like maybe 100, maybe 120. It could even be less. Super cool, you know? Check it out. Everything works perfect. And yeah, I assembled it over there at the house when I bought it, and I tightened everything here at my house and listed it today, like an hour ago, for $500. There's a better one for $700. So that was like my thought process. I could probably have sold it for $600 or $700, but there are a couple that are around the 700, 800 range, which are way better, and made by the same company. So anyway, this one right here, listed for $500, and have someone coming like right now to come get it, which is crazy because I just listed it like not too long ago. I have to get this thing to the driveway. It weighs about 100 pounds, and we're gonna make some money. Person's here. It's like they have a minivan. What's up, how are you? Person's leaving. I have $500 cash in like different denominations, like so many different ones, but $500 cash. I got that thing sold so quick. Oh my God. See, you play a good brand, things move fast. That's just the rule. Okay, we are 5 minutes down the road. I'm not even kidding. And I'm gonna sell just a piece of artwork that I found at Savers for, I don't even know, the price tag was on the back of it. Thank God it didn't show the person on the back of this thing. But it's sitting right here. And you might have seen it in some of the previous like super old green room hangouts. I've had this thing for a while. I think I spent $7.50 for it. And someone wants to buy this thing for $70. It is an autographed or just a canvas print with, I think, Bobby Rahal or something like that signature in the top corner. I've had this thing forever. And by the way, thanks Jameson for this. I still have this thing. But anyway, yeah, he was a green room member and he gave me this one day. So we have this thing and it's just time for it to go. I don't really care for it too much. It is very colorful, so it'll be nice in someone else's house. We have someone in 15 minutes picking this thing up for $70 cash. Okay, I think we have a car coming out of the cul-de-sac right now. It kind of looks like a cop car though. Like a retired cop car, very weird. All right, let's get this thing sold. So I took a $70 Venmo for that one. It's a good flip from Savers. It's a long tail flip. I kept that thing for a while. But I only recently decided to sell it though. So that's good. Okay, time to get some On running shoes sold. And the guy's here. And we got them sold for $35. I think I'm $10 into it. I was gonna keep it for myself, but I decided not to. There's so much better models now out there. There's so many more better models out there. So decided not to, and yeah, decided to sell them. And they were in pretty good condition. We found them at a Goodwill around probably $10 or $11 out the door. Sold them for 35 bucks. So yeah, On Cloud are really popular running shoes now, but that was a little bit more of one of the older models. I still got it sold and that was fine. I'm outside of someone's house. I caught a Facebook listing of a Specialized carved 29-inch mountain bike with RockShox front fork. Pretty cool. Asking price $300. I offered $200 cash, and I'm here outside their house. We're gonna get this bike, I hope, and also have a bike on top of my car right now that I might be able to sell while I'm having a business meeting with my business partner at a coffee shop that's like 20 minutes away. So we'll see if we can get that other bike sold. I'm $100 into that, and I'm asking $450. We'll see what happens with that. All right, let's go get this other bike. Okay, there's the Specialized carved 29er right there. It's a size medium. It's in really good condition. Even the forks look real good. I'm stoked. This reselling this is probably 600 or so, maybe 5 to 6, something like that. It's effectively the evening, same day, and I'm outside of a Goodwill, right? I don't know if you can see that, and I will hopefully be selling a bike pretty soon. Now that bike isn't the one that I just bought, but it's this other one right here that you might have seen on a previous vlog. I bought it at nighttime about a month ago, 100 bucks. It is a Rocky Mountain Slayer 50 full suspension mountain bike that does need a fair amount of work, but honestly, it's a good bike. And you know, in its day, it was a really good bike for going downhill and, you know, getting kind of rowdy. So hopefully we'll get this thing sold. And let me flip the camera around a little bit. Yeah, hopefully we get it sold for $450 today. There's a second person that, while I was working at the coffee shop, we were working with my business partner on the laptop, you know, a second person expressed interest in this bike, so we might be able to get it sold for $450, not only for this guy, but maybe this next guy down the road if the first guy passes. So pretty cool bike, not something you see every single day for $100. But yeah, when I bought this bike, it was only listed for, I don't know, 10 minutes or something like that, and I had to drive 45 minutes to go get it and then 45 minutes back. So, you know, if I make $350 profit on this, it's pretty good use of my time. All right, so I just came out from that Goodwill, and I do have cash for the bike sale. just sitting right here. I actually sold it for $480 because I left the pedals on that I was gonna keep for myself, but I left the pedals on, charged an extra 30 bucks. So I sold the bike for $480, which is great. It's a $380 profit. What a nice evening. Great Bikes to Bucks cheddar. No, it was a good flip. It kind of pays to hawk Facebook Marketplace, I'm telling you. So, you know, if you've got time in your days or your weekends to do that, you have to be willing to leave really quick and get whatever the things you're hawking for, but huge profit you can make on a lot of these things. And that's the vlog right there, guys. I mean, it's a pretty cool vlog. I want to keep my vlogs between like 8 and 10 minutes. I hope you enjoy it, or enjoyed it, should I say, because by the time if you've seen this part, you've actually watched the whole thing. So make sure you put a comment down below. Let me know what you enjoyed the most. I gotta find more awesome bike racks like that one. Dude, that was a good flip. Think about it. You list something, an hour later, it's gone. That's great. I like having that problem. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.